Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. So, yeah, this is a sequence demo sessions from past. I think this is the third day of the demo class, what we are continuously going on. Hope you have been went through with the recorded sessions of the demo class 1 and 2, right? So we were understanding about the data and what is exactly in the real time, how the organization get the data and how it will be moved to the workforce where they can access the insights from it, right? So these are the things we have learned in the past 2 days of demo class. I think we have here Divish. Hi, Divish.
Yes, ma'am. It's my first day of the demo class.
Yes. So can I have your quick introduction, Divish?
Ma'am, currently I'm Power BI analyst and working in Quora. And presently I'm staying in Noida. I'm having 4 years of experience in Power BI. So I wanted to become full data analyst. That's why I'm looking for Python along with Power BI.
Perfect, perfect, Divish. So here, by using the Python developer, what is your roles and responsibilities in your current employment? So what all you do with that?
Currently, I work on SQL Server and Power BI. So, with the help of SQL Server, we pull data from the um, database, and with the Power BI, I build the report. Along with that, we use ADF also in order to bring data from various sources and do some ETL activities.
Okay, that sounds very interesting, Divish. Thank you so much. And I think Divya, hi Divya.
Hi.
Yeah,
Yesterday
hi.
also joined.
Okay, okay, no worries, Divya. And we
Yeah.
have Harika. Hi Harika. Okay, so hi Kalyan.
Hi, ma'am. I'm
Yeah, hi
Kalyan. I
Kalyan.
work for Honeywell, ma'am. Currently, I'm working on PL/SQL and Java modules. I work for aerospace module. Before
Mhm.
I have joined your 18 class, ma'am, because of some office calls during that time, I could not continue. So I'm planning to shift to this batch, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Kalyan. No issues, no issues. So here, I think Kalyan knows about the demonstrations, what are the overview of the classes, the sessions, what we go on, right? So here, I'll just give you the brief introductions. Also, what all we'll be learning during the sessions. I think Divya know. So Divish, you can have a glance on it. So what all we'll be learning over here in this curriculum. So we'll be starting with the three phases. One is with the data collection, data preparation, and also the insight generation and the dashboard building. So along with that, we'll be focusing on the main projects over here with the different domains. We know that data is everywhere for IT and non-IT both the sector, for banking and HR analytics, and also the energy, healthcare. So everywhere. So for e-commerce, with a prominent, the priority one. So where all the domains are engaged with the data activities, right? So that's why it is very important for IT sector and non-IT sector, the data. Data is nothing but it is the information which requires the organization to take up a decisions. And what are the topics we'll be covering over here? So we'll be learning the spreadsheet of Excel from basic to advanced, and MySQL we are learning as a database. And also we are learning here the Python programming language and Git and GitHub to store all the source code, whatever we write. Okay. So, and also we'll be learning here the Power BI. And I have given you all the, the syllabus over here. So in the AWS, we can learn what is Kinesis, what is RDS, what is Glue, what is data pipeline, what is AWS QuickSight, AWS Redshift, Athena, and EMR. So all these things are the tools and technology we are covering over here in this entire 45 to 60 days. It is a comprehensive full stack course. And here you can see if you are having an intermediate knowledge into the Excel. So here we can tell that from the introduction, right? From introduction, so we have here referencing named range, all those things. You can have a glance in the website of all the course overview. So all these things we are learning. And again, when it comes to the MySQL, so here we start with the introduction, SQL commands, DQL query we can learn, and also case when, then handling null values, group operations, and also aggregate functions, constraints, join, DDL, DML, TCL, index, view, store procedure, functions, and constructors, union, intersection, subqueries, exception handling, and also the trigger, right? When it comes to the Power BI, so how to install the Power BI and the Power BI components, the overview, right? So the difference between the online and the direct query, right? So offline is what the desktop is used for. Apart from that, we have online services as well to get the data directly from the sources, right? And how to create the dashboards we'll be learning, and how to integrate with the AI tool with the Power BI. And also we can use all these things, Power Query Editor, data modeling, right? And how to filter the data, and how I can customize the data into the Power BI, right? So also here the most important, that is of DAX functions, and customize your visuals. So also we have the visuals in the mobile as well. So we have three components. So one is with the desktop, mobile, and also with the online services, Power BI online, right? So again, so we can use this, and also the scheduling of the refresh and data flow. So use of the data and into the live PowerPoint, so and more. So these are all the topics we are covering in the Power BI. And along with that, so in the Python, so the Python most majority, the data analysts, they'll be having like, 4 to 5 libraries, which is already predefined for it. That is Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So these are the libraries as a data analyst you have to focus on, right? So now, so when it comes to the Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, we can't go directly for this library. It is an open source one. So to understand the flow of these 4 libraries, we have to understand the basics of the Python library, right? Entire Python, we should no need of learning entire thing. So if you focus on these topics, so it is more than enough. That is installations, data type, variable operators, and slicings, right? Inbuilt function, what is user defined function, the string methods, it's also called as sequential methods, right? So here also we have the function, lambda functions, and also we can use the different identity operators and input functions, loop, okay, lambda functions again. So here these are the things we will be learning as a basic level in the Python to understand the extensive library. Okay, so again, the ChatGPT we are inculcating in our course, right? So this is actually used for to debug any coding issues you have, and we'll be understanding what is it like ChatGPT, history of that. So everything we'll be learning over here in this curriculum. So apart from this, so the complementary, we can learn the overview of AWS tool, because so as we know that MySQL, Python, Power BI, all these are open source, right? So the Power BI desktop is open source. Apart from all the services, is a paid one, because hence it is inculcated with the online platform, that is a cloud-based one. So whatever we have, AWS and also the Microsoft, right? So these are the platform. It might be Azure, right? So every cloud platform, it's not an open source. It is a pay-as-you-go model, right? So hence it requires the payments from you for each and every services. So for the practice purpose, for the student way, they have given like 700 hours of free access of the AWS account, where you can access all the services and perform and practice with all the things, right? So these are the things we are learning over here in this curriculum overall, right? And again, yeah, these are the projects overview. I'll just give you the complete syllabus in the chat, so you can have a look at your spare time. And now let us discuss like Q&A. So the batches timing would start from, right, The batch will be start from next week, right? The date from 28th of this month. It's 22nd, right? Yeah, 28th. So it starts 28th of April. The batch starts from 28th April, and the timings would be 8 p.m., right? 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. The duration would be, I can say like 50 to 60 days.
Hey, Ishwari, today one girl called me and she told me like from tomorrow onwards this will start like that she told.
No, actually, they are planning for, conducting the demo session entire this week, like till Friday. So we'll be having the demo classes. And from Monday, so once you make a payment, so you'll be assigned for the new link with the paid link. So from Monday, we can start with the full-fledged session. So till Friday, we'll be having the demo sessions. And I think from Thursday, I may start with the syllabus, like with the Excel part. And then from Monday, so it will be not with the demo class link. So it will be the paid link, which is given to you via email.
Okay, okay. It starts from 28th, right?
Yes. And the recordings will be provided for you. So the access would be like 1 year, right? 1 year recording classes will be given to you. So apart from this, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And the resume preparations help can be, I'll be assisting you for the resume preparations and also will provide you all the interview questions, right? So the interview questions and along with the how to answer, the guide will be given to you in a document form. So it will be added in the WhatsApp group. So we will be creating one of the community. So where you'll be added to that. And then or else we'll be sharing all those things in a Drive access as well, right? So these are the two provisions what we can meet. Any other doubts? So Divya and Devish, Kalyan, and also we have Ravi Kiran and Satvik. So hi Satvik, is this your first session?
Yeah, hi Eshwari. This is my first session actually.
Okay, Satvik. Can I have your quick introduction?
Yeah, hi, I'm Satvik. I'm currently working in a startup. Actually, my domain is Java, but I'm interested to work in the data side.
Okay. Okay, Satvik. So it was a great introduction. So thank you so much. So yeah. So these are the overview, the syllabus point. So I just given you the syllabus things in the chat box. So you can take a look. So if you have any questions regarding the classes or regarding the recorded sessions, you can ask me so that we can discuss on it. So the batches would start from 28th of this month, right? So, and it's from Monday. So till Friday, we'll be having the demo class. So yeah. So Ravi Kiran.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah. So do you have any questions?
Questions.
So is this your first demo class, Ravi Kiran?
No, yeah, second class. First day I attended.
Okay, great.
Second.
Yeah, if who are all attending like today demo class, so please go through with the recordings of the day 1 and day 2 demo class. So you'll be having an idea of what is data and why it is used and how in the real time it is applicable in the data industry, like for all the industry influences, right? So influences on the decisions and every moment will be depending on the data and its overview and the reports generated by the data analyst. So this is the importance of the data. And we have discussed everything in the class 1 and class 2. So just go through with the data, and so if you are comfortable with all the things, so we can connect tomorrow and we can discuss on the like Excel documentations tomorrow, and we can start with the Excel view of the thing, right? So these are the things. So we shall, if you don't have any doubts, so we can wind up for today's demo class. And kindly please everyone, Devesh, Divya, Kalyan, Ravikiran and Satvik, kindly attend tomorrow's session. So we'll be covering the statistics concept. So how the statistics are highly influenced on the data domain. So we'll discuss on this topic tomorrow. So is it fine for everyone?
Sure.
Ma'am, is statistics part of this course?
Yes, actually, so statistics is very important. We'll be learning here 4 to 5 components in the statistics where it influences too much in the data domain for decision making.
So it will be using Python, right? Or simple statistics?
Yeah, statistics can be used in the Python programming language and also in the Excel as well. And also you can create a visuals and charts by using the statistical calculations, whatever we make, like correlation, regressions, right? And the dispersion, also the descriptive analysis. All those things are very important for the data analyst we learned at the initial stage of the level.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So fine then. So we shall connect tomorrow and discuss on the statistic components in the tomorrow session. So yeah, so we shall wind up for today. And please do connect tomorrow at the same time, 8 to 9. So we'll take it out for 1 hour for tomorrow. So yeah, so we'll connect tomorrow, right? So and discuss on statistic components. So any doubts you can ask me now. So again, I hope I have given you the informations of the classes timings, the duration of the course, and also the benefits of the course. So, and also we have discussed about the course overview. And here I'll be helping you with the resume preparations if you are fresher or having any gaps. So how to fill the gaps with the experience what we gained during the classes, right? So I'll be giving you some of the projects during the class so that you can have an hands-on experience on the data domain, right? So we'll be handling over here with the data size of more than 50,000, 60,000 data. So, right, so how do you deal with that? So this all gives you an experience in the real time. How do you work on with the data, right? So this is the overview of it. So yeah, so we shall connect tomorrow, right? So yeah, thank you everyone. So Kalyan, Ravikiran, Satvik, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.